Hi, I'm Jason Robert, a career advisor at University of Phoenix. Today, we'll be going over 5 tips to craft an effective cover letter. Cover letters are much more than just an introduction to your resume and should be included with every job application you submit, even if the employer doesn't ask for one. A successful cover letter complements the information in a resume without copying it. Let's break down the difference between a resume and a cover letter. A resume focuses on multiple accomplishments in a concise and cohesive manner. It functions as a standalone document that confirms what is in your cover letter, and it lists the hard and soft skills you bring to the position. A cover letter highlights 1 or 2 relevant examples of where you excel. It functions as a standalone document that references the content of your resume, and it focuses on the most important skills that matter to the company. Employers are often looking for a specific type of employee. Learn how to position yourself as a qualified candidate by reading the job description, researching the company's mission, culture, and goals, and conducting informal interviews. You'll want to draw parallels between your research and your personal experience. A great cover letter tells a deeper story by sharing examples of excellence and detailing the most important skills that the employer is looking for. Picture your cover letter as a story about your professional self. It should be skimmable and convey genuine interest and strong reasons why you should be considered for an interview. When you're formatting your cover letter, consider this structure: a header that matches your resume, a greeting that addresses the specific company or hiring manager instead of to whom it may concern, an attention-grabbing introduction, why you are an excellent fit for the job using 2 to 3 facts, and a closing statement of your interest in the position and thanking them for considering you. Before you hit send, proofread your cover letter and fix any grammar or spelling errors. Our proofreading checklist can make sure you're covered. Ensure your cover letter includes a researched and informed approach, the exact job title, experience and skills directly related to the job requirements, and consistent font sizes, headers, and layouts. Then, fix or remove spelling and grammatical errors, personal information, any negative media coverage or social media posts about the company, and extraneous words that bury the point you're trying to make. If you still need help, our downloadable guide includes format samples, cover letter examples, outlines, and additional tips. Click the link in the description to learn more. If you like today's video, visit the University of Phoenix YouTube channel for more great career content. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.